Welcome to Learn English channel. My name is Sharif. Today is our 8th lesson about phrasal verbs. Let's begin. Appertain to. Meaning it signifies a formal connection or relationship between things. Examples. 1. Regarding legal documents. All clauses that appertain to the transfer of property must be reviewed carefully. This emphasizes that certain clauses specifically relate to the property transfer. 2. Concerning official roles. The responsibilities that appertain to the role of a company director are significant. This highlights the duties that are inherently connected to that director position. 3. In the context of historical artifacts. The tools that appertain to the ancient craft of weaving were found in the tomb. This shows the tools that belong to, or were used in, the ancient weaving craft. 4. Relating to rights and privileges. The freedoms that appertain to citizens of a democratic nation are protected by law. This denotes that certain freedoms are connected to being a citizen. Apprise of. Meaning to inform someone of something. Examples. 1. In a professional setting. The Human Resources Department will apprise all employees of the changes to the vacation policy. 2. Concerning legal matters. The attorney will apprise the client of the potential risks involved in the lawsuit. 3. Regarding safety protocols. The safety officer will apprise the work crew of the emergency evacuation procedures. 4. In relation to financial updates. The finance department will apprise the stakeholders of the company's annual earnings. That's all we have for this lesson. If you have any questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to ask. Please drop that down in the comments. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Goodbye.